Trail of Tears, forced removal of the Cherokee. Well, there were a lot of Cherokee went on the Trail of Tears. A lot of people died. Some, like Sequoyah, who was famous, he developed the Cherokee syllabary writing system for Cherokee. He said, screw this country and all its oppressions, and he walked to Mexico. He said, I'm out. You know, he wasn't even counted as a tribal member because he wasn't there in Oklahoma, you know. I mean, they own him now, like in the lore or whatever. But there are a whole bunch of Cherokee people who sought refuge in a place like Mexico or with white families, because they also had been intermarrying people when they were back in Georgia and stuff like that. And so some got absorbed in. So there might be some white folk who have, you know, identify as white, but are like, I think my great-grandma was, you know, and there's some black folk who will hear that too. But it is good to check, because sometimes that's true, and sometimes it's family mythology, and it is not supported by the evidence once you actually dig into it.